Today I'm going to be showing you a few things you can check in your vehicle before winter. The first thing you want to do is check your tires. They do sell tire gauges, so you can measure the tire tread depth on here. I'll leave a picture in here somewhere in the video so you can see what it looks like. I wouldn't run your hand through here because the tire could be worn and then course could be showing on the back, and that could cut your hand, so be careful doing that. Next thing you want to do, check your tire pressure. On newer vehicles, you can check it on the cluster. I'll show you guys. On the door right here, it shows you the tire pressure, 35. Make sure you can check the spare too. By newer vehicles, you can check it on the here. Let me pull it out. So right here, let me turn that off. Right here you can see your tire pressures. So you got 35, 36, 37, 36, which is fine. Mine calls for 35 all the way around, so that should be fine. It is kind of cold in here in my garage, so I'm gonna go through this pretty quick. So from here, you want to check your wiper blades. Easier way to do it, I actually just spray them down, see if they're cleaning properly, which they're doing a pretty good job. Otherwise, you can go over here outside, grab your wiper blade, pick it up and inspect it for tears, cuts and any stuff like that. And if you need to replace them now before it's snowing out there. Another thing that I carry in here, I do carry gloves in here in case you gotta replace a tire and put your spare tire or something, or if you got a flat and you need to add some air to your tire. I do carry just a little tire air inflator right here. Carry it with me. I do carry a tow strap in here too, just in case. Another thing you want to check will be your lighting. Newer cars come with you can just go like this, and then it's going to turn on all your lights around your vehicle, as you can see. Then you can go around checking all your lights. That way you can replace any of them if you need to before it snows out there, especially if you don't have a garage or a heated garage that you can do it. So next of all, we're going to go under the hood in here. You want to check your coolant or antifreeze. Make sure it's up to the cool mark right here, which it is. Mine is fine. And there's places that check it for free for you to make sure it doesn't freeze during winter, so you might want to do that too. Another thing you want to do, check your windshield washer fluid, which is over here on a Silverado, and make sure that it protects up to like -20. That should be fine where I live, so that should be fine. Make sure you top that off. Next of all, we're going to go over here, check your engine oil level over here. Run it for like 5 minutes, shut it off, and then inspect your level. And if you need any maintenance, like changing oil or anything like that, do it now. Especially if you work on your own cars and don't have a garage. Do it now that there's no snow out there. Hopefully there's no snow out there right now. So you want to do that now. And then there's places that load test your battery. You want to load test your battery, especially if it's 5 years old or older. That way you're not stranded somewhere. You go out to the store, come out, and then the car doesn't want to start anymore. I would have it checked before that. So check that. Hold your fluids under the hood. Check your tire pressures. Check your windshield wiper blades. And then here's a gauge. So if you don't have a tire sensor that check your pressure, you can use one of these. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.